Satan has a deep hatred of women because of Eve, who exposed Satan as the one who had deceived her. God promised that the seed of the woman would crush the serpent's head. Through a woman, the Savior was born. The promise of redemption would come through a woman. Although the serpent deceived the woman, the seed of the woman would crush the serpent's head. The woman would not be impregnated by the seed of a man, but by the seed of God, to bring forth the Savior of the world. The man had no part to play in the redemption of the human race, only the woman did. Even though sin and death entered through the man, the Lord would bring redemption from sin and death through the woman. The woman or wife is a symbol of the bride of Christ. Eve's name means the mother of all living, the mother of the living one. Human history has shown that there is a satanic hatred and enmity against women. And I will put enmity, which means open hostility, between you and the woman, and between your seed and her seed, as in Genesis 3 verse 15. The serpent brought about the fall of the woman, the wife of Adam. But God will use the wife of Jesus to judge the serpent, the fallen angel, Satan, and his fallen angels together with him at the appointed time. Do you not know that we shall judge angels? 1 Corinthians 6 verse 3. The bride of Christ will be the superior to the spiritual world and will be judges of the spiritual world.